There is no absolute doubt that Jamaica as a nation will be taking over the sprinting event in the future to come. Now, the reason is because we have so many great sprinters rising up. I'm talking about the young talent from Jamaica. We have people like Oblique, SIVILE, and Akeem they have become a leading role in the male sprinting event in Jamaica. Now, in case you do not know, Akeem is the bronze medalist in the indoor championship that took place in Glasgow, and he has just sent a signal that probably he is definitely going to be the next Usain Bolt, and Akeem future is very, very bright. The United States of American athlete will have to tighten their belt in the coming future. With the way more rising talent from Jamaica are coming, it is safe to say that Jamaica will take over the sprinting nation. Now, we will be listing a list of top next athletes that will take over the entire sprinting event in Jamaica. Like I said earlier on, when it comes to the male sprinting event, Oblique, SIVILE, and Akeem are the ones leading currently, and it is safe to say that the Paris Olympic is going to be one of the most hottest race and championship we will ever witness, with Akeem, Oblique, SIVILE, and Kishane Thomson. Now, I will be drawing an attention to Kishane Thomson at the end of this video. This is another athlete from Jamaica that is performing so much. Now, talking about the next female that would take over the Jamaican sprinting, I feel like Briana Williams should be among the list of athletes that are ready to control and also to take over the sprinting world. Although Briana Williams' performance recently has been very, very poor and unsatisfied by many fans, but it is also safe to say that Briana Williams is striving and working so hard to prove that she is definitely the next queen of track and field in Jamaica, and she is ready to make history by becoming the next either Ellen Thompson-Hira or Shelley and Fraser-Price. Now, in case you do not know, Shelley and Fraser-Price will be leaving track and field this year. There is no doubt that Jamaica as a nation will cry and they will miss Shelley and Fraser-Price, because I mean, she has always been representing, she has always been bringing those medals, and once she is gone, who is going to replace Shelley and Fraser-Price position? I feel like Briana Williams is in that position to replace Shelley and Fraser-Price. But before I talk too much, let me remind you that there is another athlete by the name Briana Lytson, and that athlete that has the same name as Briana Williams is also performing very, very well. I'm talking about the NCAA 60-meter queen of track and field. Now, she is from Jamaica. She is called Briana Lytson, and she is she has been dominating in the NCAA 60-meter championship. There is no doubt that Briana Lytson will definitely have a chance to also control and dominate the sprinting world in track and field, not just in Jamaica but in the whole wide world. And that is why I made this video referring to the United States of Americans, because I feel like they need to tighten their belts, because these Jamaicans are not playing. They are not here to play. Now, this is Akeem winning some races and defeating Oblique, SIVILE. I feel like the comparisons between Oblique, SIVILE and Akeem is that Akeem is performing more than some people are feeling like Akeem is performing more than Oblique, SIVILE. At the same time, people feel like Oblique, SIVILE is performing more than Akeem. Now, this guy is called Kishane Thomson. I will not forget about him because he is also one of the best sprinters right now in the sprinting event in Jamaica. Now, in case you do not know, this guy called Kishane Thomson once defeated the almighty Nuanas. We all know who Nuanas is. He once defeated Nuanas, and this is sending a strong signals that Kishane Thomson will definitely be the next Usain Bolt. Now, let's talk about this amazing athlete right here, Briana Lytson. She has been proven to the Jamaican nation, she has been proven to the world that She has this energy, she has what it takes to take over the sprinting world as well. She is known as the 60-meter queen for now because she has been dominating, and recently she was crowned as the 60-meter queen in the NCAA championship. And let me also not forget about the Clayton twins. I'm talking about Tia and Tina Clayton. Now these twins are actually so amazing, and they definitely have the future also. I feel like these two athletes will do very very well in the coming future. Yes, because they have proved to Jamaica and to the world that they also have what it takes to represent Jamaica, not just Jamaica, but to also show to the world that they are capable of dominating the sprinting event. In case you do not know, Tia and Tina are twins, and between these two, I actually do not know who performs better, but I feel like they have the same strength, and I feel like I can't wait to see what they have and what they have to unveil in Paris Olympic. But the big question is, can this athlete qualify for individual 100 and 200 meter in the coming Paris Olympic, considering the fact that we still have one of the best in the world from Jamaica? I'm talking about Shelly, Ellen, and Sherika. Would they allow this young and vibrant athlete to actually win the individual 100 and 200? Well, if you ask me that question, I think I will say that I feel like there is actually zero possibilities of this young athlete qualifying for individual 100 and 200 Olympics for now. But in the future, it is safe to say that this are the athlete that will take over the sprinting world in Jamaica and in the entire whole wide world. Now I want to also address something, because I want you guys to list any name of athlete that you feel like is missing in this list, because probably there is that athlete you wanted to have seen in this list of athlete that will take over the Jamaican sprinting, but you were disappointed for not saying the name. You can kindly drop his or her name in the comment section, and also don't forget to give this video a like, thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel.